To measure, click the Measure button. Then you can choose to measure a distance or an area. I click the Distance button. I can zoom in on the area I want to measure, and I click my starting point and just trace my measure path. You can see up in the readout it's showing my cumulative distance as I go along. I can change the units to different choices. Keep going, and then choose Done when I'm finished, and it labels the distance. Or if I want to measure an area, I can choose Area, and then I just trace the perimeter of that area. I can change its units as well. And then if you mess up, you can just click Cancel, but I'm going to click Done, and it labels that area. And that's all there is. These measurements stay on the map as you zoom in and zoom out. If you want to get rid of them, you press the Clear button.